Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to private your Instagram account. For this tutorial, I will use two Instagram accounts. Let's search my Instagram account from another account. This is my normal account. This account not private yet, so anyone can see your pictures and uploads before following you. Let's make this account private. Open your Instagram account. And click your profile. Then press triple icon here, top right corner. Then open setting. Privacy. Then you can see option to make your account private. But if you're using business account, you can't make it private. So we can convert this business account to personal account. Open account section here. Then you will see option for switch account type. Well, my account switched to personal account. Let's make it private now. Now my account private. When someone find my account, they cannot see my uploads now. Someone going to follow me, they need my permission now. Let's click follow button. It's only now request. There is my new following request. When I choose accept, they will be my followers now. Here is the all things about Instagram private account. If you need free Instagram followers, comment me below. Give me a comment, does it work or not? Thank you. See you again.